wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
What's good, Jambisco there, man? Another reaction, another little video. Don't know, guys. You see me? Yeah, man, we're back in the music club, and you don't know, it ain't stopping. The action non-stop, the fun non-stop. We keep moving, we keep pushing. You don't know, guys. We're shooting for the stars out here. We're coming to take over this bomb. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, guys. You see what we're there with? We're there back with Plumpy Boss. You see me? And I 7 boss them. Yeah, 7 boss and I 7 done them. You see me? One of the biggest artists out of the 7. You see me? Yeah, man, that's Plumpy Boss in there. On a track, he dropped this like a month ago. I should have been reacted to it. I don't know why I haven't gotten around. There's so much music to react to, man. And sometimes when I pull up on this song, I say, yo, I'm gonna react to it. I end up reacting to something else and get it done. And then I thought I reacted to it because I had it pulled up to react to. But we're gonna change all of that. You know what I'm saying? You see what we are doing today? Yeah, man. Today we're back in the music with Plumpy Boss. This one is entitled Lethal. It's been requested a lot. You see me? And I thought I already did it already, but apparently I didn't. Keep pulling them up, open up all type of tabs and say, yo, I'm gonna do this, and then never end up doing it. And I think I did do it, so I didn't go back to it. But we have fixed all of that today, yeah, man. Then we got Plumpy Boss Lethal, and we're gonna see what dog I do. You don't know Plumpy Boss, one of the biggest artists out of the 7. Dog very lyrical, very talented. You know what I'm saying? He's definitely the, I don't know if this is a disrespect, but this is definitely the Prince one for the 7. I would say he's the biggest artist out of it. You know what I'm saying? So we are checking him out and see what dog I do, man. Very underrated artist. He's very talented. He's dope. But you know, as I keep going, he's gonna reach. He's gonna be on. He's gonna be up there with Prince One and the rest of it. You know what I'm saying? So we're not gonna hold up the vibe much longer. Yeah, man. I'll jump right into the track. This is Plumpy Boss Lethal. Let's get it. Yeah, man, I see already. Shit. Murder. You are hearing what the man saying in the background, man. So you already know, man. The title name Lethal. So boy, I got dead in this, man. See, man, now pull up a blood clot. Banana boat and open up a container. Be a gun and come out of that bumbo. Look at that. Murder. Easy, you know. Yeah. All me killing them lethal. And all me gun them illegal. Shot boy left him dirty like Smeagol. Yeah. Blood, yeah, man say all of me killing them lethal. And all of me gun them illegal. Shot boy till they look like Smeagol. But tell you this gonna be a crazy trap. I already know. You know what I'm saying, man? In now, look at rifle them a coming on a boat. Behave on yourself. All me killing them lethal. And all we gun them illegal. Shot boy left him dirty like Smeagol. Stand up if you feel you are he man. All me dog them a demon. Fi take it up in your hands we a bleach pan. Mass up kill longer than all of me dogs them a demon. Fi take your dopey or your hands we a bleach pan. Yeah, man. No sleep now go on, brother. Tree branch, root out boy something like tree chunk. Make shot, enter then exit. Love chat replace teeth like dentist. Headshot in a shot boy make you exit. Gunshot replace boy teeth like dentist. All here, bro. Hey, yeah, man. Face with direct tips. Yo, BGS, check this. Shot a kick like money down a Senegal. Give them a funeral and everything. We a figure the gang. Maximum shot. We no give the minimum. No left them critical. We send them in a place where spiritual. Man said shot a kick boy like down a Senegal. I want to give boy them lethal. Hey, man, chopping, bro. Man, chopping, man. Yeah, we dog send them after. Who is distant, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Physically, them no better than we need a lyrical. Shot pick them up and fling them back in the days we biblical. We no chat political, no throw shit and subliminals. We kill boy traditional. Yo, my dog. All men kill boy traditional. You see me I say? You know, tradition for murder boy. We not talk political things. I'm telling you, in the politics and all of the politics. When boy if it dead we make a step. Dog them a demon. And all we gun them illegal. Shot boy left him dirty like Smeagol. Yeah. All me killing them lethal. And all we gun them illegal. Shot boy left him dirty like Smeagol. Stand up if you feel you are he man. Fully done.
stand up if you feel like you're him, man, no? Think you can tap bullet and gunshot, boy? Yeah? Yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? Bone and mash up flesh, you know what?
But we kill boys to intellect. When we step like Jesus Christ, no man can resurrect. Lock down the base and flush them out, yeah, that I easy sweat like cops, you know.
He had his foot on this man's head, bro. Man, so step like Jesus, no boy no get resurrect. That's the man I feel. Yeah, he foot for the man head. Easy Plumpy boss. Shout out to you for playing the role. I see you have to be a loyal soldier. I don't dirty like Gucci and gold chain, big no blood clean. Spread out.
That easy sweat like cops, no man intercept. Boy jump up and run in at it. But I want him, but him never get time to reflect. Now when he check, them start data for no sound defect. Shot pick up head like internet and search brain like a Google check. Yo Della, you know.
Shot pick up head like internet and search boy like Google check. Easy.
The badness said, last boy left the memories for recollect. Daddy ball and pray man, him son could reconnect. Circle the hands and kill them for them when them least expect. Like disinfect with mops and rumors so they clean and in effect. Last time we check, we no take no disrespect. For my boys step incorrect, we mash them like a real insect. BGS clips select, fish at them with the intro tech and beat them in the big air and school them like a junior sec.
Please, you know, man, behave yourself and boy violate, you know, mash them up like insect and crush them like insect, you know. You see me and say, don't play with you, know.
All me killing them lethal, and all we going them illegal. Shot boy left him dirty like Smeagol. Yeah. All me killing them lethal, and all we going them illegal. Shot boy left him dirty like Smeagol. Stand up if you feel you are him, man.
No, I'm tear man, turn up now if you feel like you're him, man. Like you feel like you can't tap gunshot, like you can't fight that. Tear.
All me dog, them a demon. Fi take it up in your ends, we a bleach pan. Mass up kill longer than tree.
Dogs them out, you know, it tugs them out, you know. Machine them up, you know, my yo. Brand new, you know, ready fill up here, boy. Look on the machine there, man. Yeah, man.
The branch, root out, boy, something like tree.
Blood clot. Tear. Sheesh.
Chunk, make shot, enter then exit. Love chat, shot replace teeth like dentist. Headshot in her face with direct tips. Yo BGS, check this.
Shit, dog, my bro brandy some blood clean gun there, dog. Tear. Yo. God, clot. Could I swear me see a MP4 in that buckler, AR, the M4 dog, you see me, AR, yo. 16, because I swear me see I hell taking it, I'm just mistaken. Yeah man, dog, they have all type of machine, man, they don't play, man, they well arms up, too no. Come in fresh pan the board. Easy, no? Bad. Plumpy boss, lethal. Yeah, man. Boy, I dead, no man. Yeah, see me. I was going there, so who they have in a cage? And I enemy them.
Shot man, ready man, come out now, boy. Come out now, boy. Come out now, boy. Come out. Come out now, boy.
Come on now, boy. I got a tan in my cage, so blood, dog. Afraid. Come out now, boy. Yeah, dog, afraid, man. Shot that night, that's how I gotta leave. Easy, you know, man. Yeah, man. Plumpy boss, big up on yourself. Keep doing your thing, man. Real dope track. Yeah, man, that was Plumpy boss, lethal. Yeah, see me, that was a dope ass track, man. Plumpy boss went in on that shit, you know what I'm saying? All of me thugs, them lethal. And all of me going them illegal. Shot boy, dirty like Smeagol. Yeah. I'm true, man. You see me, I see that man bring the gun them on the boat and thing. Brand new and shipping. You see me, shipment just drop. You see me, body I got drop too. Yeah, man, big up Plumpy boss. Dope ass video, man. You see that guy volley football dog. Shot that head, man. Dog lie down dirty. And I make like David dog in a cage, and I'm afraid to come out of that blood clot right now. Man, I'm telling you yesterday, I don't want to take me out of this, you know. That should not come, that should, yeah, you know. Yeah, man, but that was a dope track, though. Big up Plumpy boss. That was lethal, a real dope track, man. We enjoyed that one, guys. Let me know what you think about that one. That was a dope ass track, man. No cap. Plumpy Boss doing his thing, man. I tell you, this is definitely one of the best artists out of Trini, and also one of the most underrated. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. He's definitely. I think he's like the biggest artist on the 7, and he's going against Prince Wani. So he's like, yeah, I guess he's on Prince Wani level, as in where he at in their group and whatever. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we know that Prince Wani is one of the biggest out of Trini, but Plumpy Boss, I think he should be up there with Prince Wani level. You know what I'm saying? Or he's about to get there. Once he get the same push and keep making tune, yeah, man. Yeah, man. He's gonna be up there, man. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, man, guys, let me know what you think about that in the comment section. Go and drop your, what's your favorite part, lyrics, beat, melody, whatever it was, drop it in the comment section. If you like, go show the artist some love and support. You know, said Jambisco and Senior. Real dope track. You see me, I say, like the energy after that. I don't know like what tune already and bad man tune already. You see me, so the energy after that was dope. The video was dope as well. Very creative, man. You know what I'm saying? So let's chop it up and drop it in the comment section. Let's keep the conversation going. Let's keep going. You know, we're shooting for sound now on top. They can't stop. You see me? We can't stop, won't stop, non-stop. You know what I'm saying? But man, yeah, man, until next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.